Hey, we have a secret toolbox here from Top Strong. It's a local brand, I think. Let's try and open. Look how they put so much tape on it, but you can usually find it here. I see they stop here. I think it's more hard to try and remove all this. Yes, maybe just cut the edges. Don't want to damage anything here. Okay, let's do another cut here. See if you can open now. Incredible how much tape they use. Okay, really, let's see what we have inside of this package. Another package and another package. Let's first see the small things. Screwdriver. This is very small. Okay. Okay. Chainsaw file to sharpen the chain of a saw. Okay. What do we have here? One drill for wood, another drill bit. This is Ash SSR. Another drill, the bigger drill, still for wood. Okay, now let's see what we have in the small boxes. And to put this right here. Very long. This should be 4 millimeters. Yes, it's 20 millimeters long. I say it's pretty good. Let's see first package. This is more fragile. Don't want to. I really hope these are intact. Should be some discs here. Oh. A lot of tape by these guys. Don't want to cut my fingers. Very good how they assemble this. So look, we have a Rider brand. It's a bigger one to sharp things. And this is a smaller disc to cut metal. I think there are two here. Yes, two metal discs. Germany. Let's see the other box. So this what we get in the box. Also this is a lot of branding on the box. Okay, cut it here. So cut it right. Hope I don't cut the disc inside. Okay, have this too. It's 150 millimeters. X22. Also the same. There should be something different. See, type 29, type 29. Oh, this is A80 and this is A60. Yes. Yeah, they kind of look the same. This one is a bit more hard. So this is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel.